Hey, you got a minute? Or, well, knowing me, make that 10. So I've been on this roller coaster lately, right? And I was like, change, you've got to be kidding me. Change is like that guest you didn't invite to the party, but shows up anyway and somehow ends up being the life of it. It's a long story, but stick with me. So there I was, scrolling through my phone, dodging those self help ads, you know the ones. And I stumble upon this app. Not just any app, but this self reflection journal thingy that's supposed to be AI powered. And I was like, okay, tech, show me what you've got. Because let's face it, if I'm gonna talk to anyone about my feelings, it might as well be my smartphone, right? And then out of nowhere, feedback hits me. Not from the app, from life. And it stung, man. It was like, hey, you need to change this and that. And I was like, excuse me, who asked you? But here's the kicker. The app, my digital confidant, it helps me process this feedback. It's ironic, really. I was using technology to hide from my problems, and now I'm using it to face them. It's a long story, but through all this, I realized something crucial. It's not personal, none of it. The feedback, the need for change, it's all just part of growing. Like, you wouldn't get mad at a video game for leveling up, would you? So why get mad at life? And that's when it hit me. And I was like, dude, you're onto something here. Using tech not just to escape, but to engage. To not just hear feedback, but to listen to it, reflect on it, and grow from it. And most importantly, to not take it personally. Because when you do, you're missing the point. So here's my call to action for you, my friend. Embrace a new habit. Whether it's reflecting on your day, seeking out constructive criticism, or just learning to laugh at the absurdity of life. Let technology be your ally in this. There's an app for almost every kind of personal revolution. And remember, it's a long story. But that's the beauty of it. Every chapter, every twist, every unexpected turn, it's all part of your journey. So what do you say? Ready to level up with me?